Start with introducing yourself and then say that I want to wish the viewers of Zee Music a very happy Holi. Just 1 second is an aircraft. And you want to do talk about other songs and then eventually come to the Sholay song and that is fine, yes?
Okay, rolling.
Yeah, okay. Naveed? Yeah, action.
Hi, this is Aisha Deol and I wish all the viewers of Zee Music a very happy Holi.
Now, I want you to tell us a little about Holi, what importance the festival has for you, and the people or the things that you associate with the festival in your life in the past, present. Take it in that stride. Okay, keep rolling, ready? Action.
Holi for me has always been my #1 most famous festival. I think apart from Diwali and all the various gods' birthdays that we Indians celebrate, this is the only one festival where we all actually let our hair down and go completely insane.
Cut, 1 second. Magnification wider than Aisha, you need to mix Hindi and English.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. Thora right kar lijiye. Okay, ठीक है. Yeah, take that again. Let's just mix the whole thing, yeah? Okay, action.
हमारे भारत में तो बहुत सारे त्यौहार हैं, लेकिन होली खास करके मेरा सबसे फेवरेट फेस्टिवल है, क्योंकि होली एक ऐसा त्यौहार है जहाँ पे हम सब जो जी चाहे, जो मन में आए हम लोग वो कर सकते हैं, और इट्स अ वेरी फ्री स्पिरिटेड फेस्टिवल. और होली एक्चुअली लोग वाइट क्लोथ्स पहनते हैं और फिर पूरे कपड़ों को गंदा करते हैं एक्चुअली कलर से. एंड मैं तो अंडे भी डाल के खेलती हूँ. और मुझे बचपन का एक इंसिडेंट याद आया अभी. मेरे स्कूल के फ्रेंड्स और हम सब साथ में एक I don't even remember, maybe before I was 1 year old also, when I was 1 or 2 months baby, मैं खेलती आई हूँ होली. और बचपन में टेरेस में मम्मी एक बड़ा पूल खोलते थे और उसमें कलर्स, बलून्स एंड ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स यूज्ड टू कम फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द प्लेस एंड द होल हाउस यूज्ड टू बी ऑलमोस्ट कलरफुल. एंड एक इंसिडेंट मुझे अब याद आया. मेरी 3-4 सहेलियाँ थी और हम सब गाड़ी में घूम रहे थे जू में, और गाड़ी के अंदर बलून्स थे और 2-3 अंडे भी थे. तो हम एक सिग्नल पे रुके थे और एक पुलिस वाला दिखा हमें. एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड, पता नहीं क्या हुआ हमें, और पुलिस वाले पे हमने 2 अंडे सीधे निकाल के उनके सिर पे मार दिया. देन दे टुक अस टू द कॉप स्टेशन एंड दैट्स समथिंग आई नेवर फॉरगेट अबाउट होली. Otherwise, I've always gone to all my friends' houses and played, and with mom and dad also. And this is a ritual we always follow during Holi. My mom and all of us are very religious people. We have Lord Krishna and Radha in my mom's living room upstairs in the temple. So the first people we play Holi is with Lord Krishna. We religiously take a red color and put it on his cheeks, and then put it on my mom very delicately. We can't spoil her face and her skin at all. So she's the only person who's allowed to play Holi delicately. Otherwise, we all are really rowdy and बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा करते हैं हम लोग.
Okay. Now we talk about the industry reference, like how you moved into the industry. Because the theme is Generation Next. So for each person, the reference is different.
All of you all know my parents are superstars in Bollywood, and I happen to be their daughter, and I also happen to be acting in movies. So there's a lot of association there, and I've grown up watching all their movies, and I remember watching a lot of their Holi songs together. And that was one more thing which really inspired me to play Holi in the real filmy style, you know, like sing songs and throw colors, and we used to try and do all that also. And we used to, my all-time favorite was definitely the song from Sholay, my mom and dad's. And after that, I think it's the song from Baghban, Holi Khile Raghubira. So there are a lot of nice Holi songs, and my mom's always been lucky as far as Holi songs are concerned. She's always given a hit Holi song.
Play Holi with your dog really?
They try and come and play Holi with us. Usually I don't get my dogs out during Holi because I'm very scared of them eating the balloons, you know, water balloons. After they burst, they're all lying around, and I had one very bad experience. A dog of mine chewed a lot of those balloons, and it was just not happening. So for me, my dogs are not allowed to play Holi. मैं जानती हूँ हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे फेमस होली पे गाना हैं, और a lot of famous songs have been shot with keeping Holi sequence in mind. But my only favorite songs are my mother's songs, because I've mostly only watched them, and they are the only ones whose at least 2 lines I know by heart to sing to you all.
Okay, what about, do you look forward to playing Holi in any of your movies?
I would love to play Holi in one of my movies. If someone had a song to shoot with me playing Holi in it, I think I would make the entire unit go upside down. And I've been told that shooting Holi songs are a lot of fun. So I also want to be part of that fun and shoot a song. Because then I don't think Holi will end in one day. You'll be shooting a song for 2-3 days and you can just play it for 2-3 days.
Okay. और magnification एक hold कर लीजिए हमारी.
How much?
No. Yeah, almost done. I'll just do a sign off. I just was wondering if you could do me. Now the association of colors in Holi is the most predominant, and the whole association of emotions and colors. So just a dramatic, almost abhinaya kind of sequence of emotional representation through the face.
Like what do you mean?
Like happy, sad, joyous.
मेरे लिए खास करके होली इज़ अ फेस्टिवल जहाँ पे बहुत सारा खुशी, जोश, मस्ती, मज़ा और इतने सारे रंग के साथ हम खेलते हैं. सो आई थिंक हमारे जो इमोशनल लेवल जो है जहाँ पे हम सबसाइड करके डेली लाइफ, डेली रूटीन को बेयर करके हम लिव करते हैं. होली जब होली का दिन आता है, होली का त्यौहार आता है, तो हम सब अपना व्हाट यू कॉल इट, अंदर का भड़ास, अंदर का जो जोश है उसे थ्रो कलर्स जैसे लाल, पीला, नीला, अंडे, मेरे फेवरेट अंडे, एंड कीचड़, एंड आई थिंक it's lot of happiness and lot of joy.